What's up guys, Saf here on SuperSaf TV and we've got a very special unboxing today. Here is the brand new 2019 LG NanoCell TV and we've also got one of LG's new soundbars. Big thanks to LG for getting this stuff out to me and partnering with me for this video. Some of the key features highlighted here: nano color, nano accuracy, nano bezel, ThinQ AI, A7 Gen 2 intelligent processor, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, and the soundbar is a 4.1.2 channel soundbar with Dolby Atmos as well and built-in Google Assistant. Let's go ahead and get all of these unboxed. And there we go, unbox SuperSaf South. This thing is absolutely massive. This is a 65-inch version. You can go larger or smaller depending on your preference. And inside the box, as well as the television, you do get some paperwork. You get the stand, which I have attached on right now, but you can warm out this if you'd like. And you also get the LG Air Remote. I really like this. We'll take a look at that in a bit. And we've also unboxed the soundbar. Let's go ahead and set all of this up and I'll give you an overview. We are now all set up. Looks absolutely dope, 65 inches, 4K cinema HDR, details are sharp and colors really do pop. Now let me talk you through all of the nanos. Firstly, nano bezel. As you can see, we've got minimal bezels and this means you're gonna get a really immersive viewing experience. Now let's talk about nano color. The LG NanoCell TV, as the name suggests, uses NanoCell technology and it reproduces pure color by applying about 1 nanometer particles. These filter out dull color to enhance the color purity, giving you more vivid and accurate color. The 2019 LG NanoCell TV also has full array dimming pro, and this gives you what LG call nano black. It does this by controlling the backlight units individually and renders deeper blacks with finer detail. Now the LG NanoCell TV also has great viewing angles, and this is what LG call nano accuracy, because colors stay accurate even if you're viewing from the side. So if you've got some friends over to watch the boxing, football, some sort of sports, or even your favorite TV show, I'm not sure what that's going to be now that Game of Thrones is over. Let me know what you guys are watching. Everyone watching will get to see vivid, accurate color without much color distortion, regardless of where they're sitting. Now, there's plenty of connections. We've got 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, 3 USB ports, Ethernet input, headphone out, optical digital audio out, satellite and cable in, as well as a PCM-CIA card slot. But you don't have to physically connect anything onto here if you don't want to. You do have Wi-Fi as well as webOS, so you're going to be able to use lots of streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime, of course YouTube. You can install loads more as well. Now, one of my favorite things about the LG NanoCell TV is this magic remote. What makes it magic? Well, it actually works like an air remote, so you can point the cursor anywhere on the screen. It gives you precise control. It's also got dedicated buttons for Netflix and Amazon Prime Video, so you've got instant access. As well as that, it has a built-in mic, which means you can use the remote to give your TV voice commands. You've got simple things like, what's the weather like?
Currently in Leicester, it's 11 degrees and partly cloudy. On Monday, there will be scattered showers with a high of 15 and a low of 8.
So you've got that, but thanks to the ThinQ AI, you can also do more advanced commands, such as switch off the TV when this TV show finishes, or if you're watching a movie, you can ask who's the director of this movie. Now we do have built-in speakers, 40-watt downfiring with Dolby Atmos, and they do sound really, really good. But if you do want to make the most of the audio experience, then you might want to consider one of LG's soundbars. So I have the LG SL9YG soundbar, and this has a maximum output of 500 watts. It's a 4.1.2 channel soundbar with Meridian Technology and Dolby Atmos. It supports Bluetooth 4.2, so you can easily connect it to your television or another device. You also have 4K pass-through enabled and built-in Google Assistant and Google Chromecast. So you could just walk into your room and say, okay Google, switch on TV, and it's gonna do that for you. You've got great sound quality with up to 24-bit 192 kHz audio resolution with Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. Now this gives you more of an immersive experience by putting sound from where it would occur naturally in space, giving you multi-dimensional audio and putting you right there in the action. Now, I'm no audiophile, but what I can tell you is this combination sounds absolutely dope. And that is the 2019 LG NanoCell TV alongside the LG soundbar. What do you guys think of these? Definitely drop me a comment below and let me know. If you want to pick up the 2019 LG NanoCell TV, this is the 65-inch version, but as mentioned, there are many other versions available, larger as well as smaller. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below. You can go ahead and pick one up or just find out more. And there's also going to be a link to the soundbar. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do hit that thumbs up button for me. And if you haven't already, then be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any further coverage. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.